Have you ever wondered why more than 60% of global hirings in multinational banks and financial institutions require basic machine learning skill set? How come most of the Indian and Asian fintech markets are leading the financial revolution, outpacing the US with a 27% annual growth? Well, the need of the hour is to reboot for machine learning driven financial solutions. Learn from India's first quant finance institute, the Indian Institute of Quantitative Finance, IIQF, trainers to the largest international banks and FIIs, having more than a decade of teaching experience to the global MNC banks and financial institutions.
Learn the machine learning for finance from the faculty who are global banking industry experts and researchers who have spent more than 2 decades of their life in teaching and upskilling future workforce of global BFSI giants.
The CPMLF course from IIQF offers 200 hours of personalized, live and online, instructor-led and interactive lectures, following by a hands-on approach to extensively cover BFSI machine learning use cases in the wider domains of quants, risk, trading, finance, fraud, compliance and regulations.
You will be well exposed to the real-world ML applications in BFSI like loan default prediction, equity price or loss forecasting, option valuations, fraud detection, algorithmic and quant trading, data science storytelling through visualizations, and exhaustively lot more.
The IIQF career mentoring complements this journey by navigating your career through BFSI ML domain personalized job search, interview prep-ups and placement support.
Our alumni are in leadership positions in major global financial institutions, banks, and investment firms.
This course is designed for everyone, even for those who consider ML as a complete mystery box.
Our foundation module is there to uplift your potential through comprehensive primers on ML mathematics, statistics, probability, and programming. You will be nurtured for 21st century most sought after dream jobs, while the imparted skills will get you the desired position and promising hikes in your current roles.
So ready to take the next step? Well, book an appointment call with our experts who are eager to help you. And don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity.